Okay, so this is a water test for an Otterbox Armor case for the iPhone 5. Case has been sealed and it will now be tested as per Otterbox's recommendations for 30 minutes. This wee thing that you see underneath the screen shield is just a wee piece of kitchen roll, and it is there to see if any water comes in. It'll absorb it and let me know. So 30 minutes, here we go. Obviously the case floats, so we will weigh it down with a glass. It's now 9:38, so we'll come back at approximately 8 minutes past 10 and see how we've got. Okay, so it's 8 minutes past 10. That's our 30 minutes up, and everything looks okay from here. There is one little bubble. It's been there pretty much from the start. I've noticed it. It hasn't moved, it hasn't popped, it hasn't come up to the surface. Other than that, I haven't noticed anything when I've been checking on it. So time to take the case out and see how it has fared. It floats. That's certainly a good thing. And what I will do now is I'll just dry it off and I'll be back. Okay, so that's the case dried off. We'll just pop it open and take a look how it is fared internally. Hinges are still a little wet, no problem. Okay, see there. Bone dry. Case is absolutely bone dry inside. The little bit of kitchen roll. Also completely 100% dry. And inside we can see the same. There's the O-rings that keep everything out, dust, water, sand, dirt, everything. And I'd say that's a pretty successful test and pass for the Otterbox Armor case. Just in case anybody was curious as to the installation of this case onto the phone, I'll do it very quickly. It's very simple. Just give the phone a quick clean there, and if anybody is also interested, you can sort of see there I have a matte screen cover on the front of the phone, and I have a normal back piece on the back of the phone as well. So phone goes in, button side first. Just squeeze it in. There's little sort of teeth, rubber teeth that grab the phone there. Give it a slight wee push. Quick wipe. Back piece of the phone goes in. Give it a squeeze. Push. And push. That's made a foot out of my hair. That's it. Right. Push and push. Make sure everything's sealed. And that's it in. If I hadn't made a balls out the first time, you would have seen it is pretty easy. Just in relation to the covers that I already had on the phone, the matte cover for the screen and the other piece for the back, was because I was using this Griffin Survivor case. With this little plastic screen you'd sometimes get the watermarks. I find that the matte screen eliminated them. Absolutely great case. Griffin Survivor, fantastic. I changed this as I'm going on holidays to Florida. Needed something with a wee bit of waterproofness with thunderstorms, water rides, all that sort of jazz.